As you all know by now, this past week has been one of the most difficult weeks of my entire life. If you want to see the full story of what happened in my life last week, you can just somewhere on here, there will be a link that you can just click and it'll take you to the full video of explaining what exactly happened. But like I said, with the week I had, I felt a little celebration is in order. So this morning I decided to go into the digital growth community, and I must tell you, I've been staring at those messages for the last hour and the results shocked me. You see so many people talking about making money online, but it usually feels like they are selling a dream that doesn't even fit into real life. But then inside the community this morning, I saw what happened to Logan Bidwell, and it changed everything for me. Now, Logan isn't some internet guru. He's a husband, a father of 4, and a follower of Christ. He's a guy who has a full-time job and a lot of responsibilities. He doesn't have 10 hours a day to sit in front of a screen. He only had 2 hours a day to put into something new. He started following the Freedom Formula blueprint, which by the way is the exact same one that I talk about that you get for free in your first email. And the results he got literally while he was busy at his job literally blew my mind. Don't just take my word for it. Let me show you exactly what he posted. This was his first update. He said, $1,400 while at work, for a total of $4,860 in the last 8 days of what I've learned here. That's over $600 per day on average. He continues saying he's nobody special. He's just consistent, coachable, and he never gave up on himself for more than a good 6 hours. Now, think about that for a second. He was just at his normal job. He was doing his regular work, and his automated system was running 24/7 in the background. He made over $4,000 in 8 days because he followed a simple set of steps. He didn't have to be an expert. He just needed to be coachable. But it didn't stop there. Now, this is the part that really shocked me. The very next day, Logan posted another update. He said, $1,400 came in while at work again. While working my full-time job, another $1,400 came in with my automated system. That's a total of $6,300 in 9 days. And he ends it with, this is an absolute blessing. Now, my friend, let that just sink in a minute. That is $6,300 in 9 days. While he's at work, while he's being a dad to his 4 kids, while he's being a husband to his wife. This is what's possible when you stop trading every single second of your time for a paycheck and start using a system that works 24/7. I used to believe that you had to be a tech genius or have some secret high skill degree to make this kind of thing happen. I've spent so much time feeling stuck, wondering if there was actually a way to have freedom without sacrificing the security of my income. Seeing Logan's story shows me that it is possible if you are coachable and consistent and willing to put in those 2 hours. Logan didn't change his whole entire life overnight. Oh no, he just followed the simple steps of the Freedom Formula blueprint. He set up an automated system that doesn't need him to be watching it every single second of every single day. That's why he could be at his 9-to-5 job and still see those blessings coming in. If you're sitting at your job right now and you are just tired of the grind and you just want to see a clear path that works for regular people, this is it. It's not about luck. It's about having the right blueprint. I want to get this into your hands so that you can actually see how the automation works. It's the exact same document that Logan used to hit that $6,300 in 9 days. You don't need a lot of time, my friend. I mean, we're living in the era of the internet. You just need to be willing to learn and stay consistent. If you want the same blueprint that Logan and I follow, I have it already ready for you. You get it 100% for free in the very first email that I sent out to you. No strings, my friend. It's just the info that you need to get started. If you're ready to see what is possible in your own life and in the life of your family, I am here to help you. Just comment the word ready below to grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint. And if anything spoke to you in this video, please hit subscribe, as I will be documenting my journey as I build my own road to riches. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.